The icons across the top of the map pane allow you to interact with the field boundaries in view. In this tutorial, we will quickly run through the icons so as to become acquainted with them, then use them in actual examples when we look at selecting and editing operations. The arrow icon allows you to select or deselect a boundary by clicking on it. If you have multiple fields in view, such as at the farm level, then multiple fields can be selected by holding down the Shift button while clicking on the desired fields. The pull-down selection on the Arrow tab also allows you to select blank, which will highlight all of the unselected fields. To zoom in on a field, click the Zoom In icon. Then click and hold the mouse button while you drag a window over the area which you want to zoom in. The Zoom Out button allows you to incrementally zoom out by clicking within the map pane. The Zoom to All button will bring all fields into view when you click within the map pane. The Pan tool allows you to pan around an image when you are zoomed in. Simply click and hold the mouse button down while you drag across the field. The Measure tool allows you to calculate distance or a specific geographic area. Absolute distance asks for a specific distance and then will generate a circle representing the distance from a center point. Place the initial point at the starting location and click to anchor the centroid. Then drag the radius to the desired location and click again to drop the second point. The Relative Distance tool allows you to measure a distance between two locations on the map. Click once to drop an initial point, and then as you move the measurement line, the distance will display on the bottom of the pane. Click the mouse again to drop the second point. To clear all points from the map, click the Clear option. The Area Measure tool allows you to calculate an area that intersects with the field. Click the mouse button to drop an initial point, then continue to click to drop additional points. When you have sufficiently outlined the area, double-click to close the polygon. You will now be given measurements for the area that intersects with the field and the total area measured. The Split Polygon icon allows you to split the field into various sections. Simply click once to drop an initial anchor point, then continue to single-click where other vertices are needed. Then, double-click outside of the field boundary to close the split. Notice that if you double-click within the field boundary, it will clear the current split. Once a split has been made, you can select a specific area with the selection arrow. The icons for Create Management Zones and taking notes for an operation will be covered in later tutorials. If you need a quick review, click the Help button icon and it will list all of the icons and their functionality.